Hey all you cool cats and kittens, this is Janie SALAZAR.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Carol at Big Cat Rescue.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to be reviewing the BoxyCharm, just a regular $25 box. For those of you that don't know what BoxyCharm is, you subscribe and you can choose between three. There's a regular $25 one, which is this one. There's a BoxyLuxe and a premium. And I believe the BoxyLuxe is the one that costs the most. But today I'm only going to be reviewing this one. I will calculate the retail price of the items after I open it. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, guys. I'm pretty excited to know what's in here. Pretty excited. Eee, more beauty blenders. Yeah. So this is Beauty Sponges by Hank and Henry. Ooh. And I actually just followed Hank and Henry. I didn't know who it was until I followed Bianca, Beauty by Bianca. I don't know if you guys watch her, but I love watching her. She literally has no filter, which I like. So this is Hank and Henry Beauty Sponges. I'm pretty excited. I already have a lot of beauty sponges that I've been receiving with BoxyCharm in the past months. No más uno. I'm over here exaggerating. This is the second beauty sponge I've gotten. Storm. Chihuahua. I'm telling y'all. Guys, I'm trying the lemon for the first time. I'm trying lemon for the first time and it's pretty good. I like it. So let me show you guys one more time the sponge. So it's pretty edgy. It's meant to like get in between, you know, spots you can't really get into. So I got the makeup eraser, erase all makeup with just water. Excuse me, what is this? So I guess you remove makeup with this? This is interesting. It says it's vegetarian and vegan friendly. It's cruelty free, EU approved. Hashtag no more makeup wipes. Interesting. We'll open it in a little bit and see what it looks like. And then I got the ELEMIS Superfood SICA count. Guys, I'm over here making up my own words. Hydration juice. I need this. It's a super hydrating gel by ELEMIS. I'm pretty sure this thing is expensive. So this is what it looks like. And I painted my nails last night, guys. And they're already chipped. That's why I hate painting my nails, because they'll be chipped in a few hours. And then I received a brochure, I guess. Oh, with the stuff I got, finally they have a freaking brochure with the prices. That's gonna save me some time. Yes. Makeup eraser with the brochure. And then lavish brushes. Ooh, so we're gonna try these today. So there's 5 of them. Look how cute that is, guys. It's colorful. It reminds me of color pencils for some reason. So looks like there's, clumsy me, a pencil. That's what it's called, lavish. It's pretty pointy. And then there's eye shading. And then there's the tapered blending by Lavish. Why did I say by Lavish? We all know it's by Lavish. So it's a blending brush. It's so cute. And then there's a fine liner. So I guess to apply eyeliner. And then there's a brow groomer. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Me gusta, me gusta. And then it came with a Porefessional smoothing face primer. I have tried this one before, guys. I had a little tube that I used to use. Guys, it lasted me for a long time, but I promise this primer is really, really good. It makes your face look super smooth. It's not catching it. No? Well, I'll put a picture right here since it doesn't want to show up because of this bright background. The makeup eraser is a little towel. Bye bye makeup wipes. I don't see myself It's like a really soft material. But honestly, guys, I don't know if I could see myself just using this and not my makeup wipe. I really don't care about this one here. And this thing right here, I'm gonna smell it. It's the ELEMIS Superfood. It smells real good, guys. Me lo voy a poner. My hands are clean already, by the way. Already washed my hands. I like it. It feels really good. It feels like it's for all skin types because my face is really oily and this is making it feel hydrating but non-oily. So it feels like a gel, like it says, hydrating gel. It feels really good. It smells like, I don't know how to describe it. Some type of fruit. Probably like pepino. Yeah, cucumber. Kind of. A little bit. Okay, chiquititas. So for the face primer, this one right here, the retail price is $32. For this ELEMIS hydrating gel, the retail is $48. For the Hank & Henry Beauty Sponge Bundle is $20. For the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection is $29.99. For the original makeup eraser, the retail is $22. For this alone and maybe a few more bucks, this retail price already pretty much paid for the box. And you got more products. So I think it's pretty worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with applying some of this hydrating gel, and I'm just gonna apply a small pump. Apply some more, guys. Apply some more. So next, I'm gonna try the primer, which I already love, guys. Ya tenía un tubito, and I'm just gonna apply like a little pea size, and it does look like a nude color. When you apply it, I'm pretty sure you can't see it. Oh, it already feels so soft, guys. I freaking love this primer. So if you guys are trying to try a good primer, I definitely would say go for this one. The Benefit, the Porefessional Pore Primer. It feels super smooth, guys. Like, I can tell you're gonna be poreless once you apply foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm not gonna do nothing on my eyes just because I want to hurry up and do this makeup. You know what, guys? I'm lying. I'm gonna try the BoxyCharm palette that I received on my last box. I received on my March box, and I did go live for this one on Facebook, even though it was a fail, but I still did it. So it looks like this, and I freaking love the palette, guys. The freaking pigments and the glitters are so good. Look at it. It has neutrals, it has glitters, freaking metallics, everything. They went ham on this, so I like. I'm gonna do something really simple. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Premium, which is this yellowy color, and apply. I'm gonna go ahead and use a cup of Joe and just apply it on the same crease, just very lightly. Aunque no soy una makeup artist, nomás estoy reviewing products. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like using Charmer because it matches my chipped nail polish. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my finger and apply it aquí. And literally, this is what I do when I'm like super in a hurry. Nomás me lo pongo with the finger. And then now I'm gonna go back to Cup of Joe and kind of blend it right here in the corner again. And I'm just blending it. And dude, I've been using the same freaking brush. Okay, guys, and for the top below my brow, I'm just gonna use Pop Up. It's like a champagne color. metallic champagne. Next, I'm going to use the sponges to try them out. And I'm going to go ahead and wet them and I'll be right back. Okay, cool cats and kittens, I'm back. I know I sound creepy, right? Okay, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some freaking foundation. I use Fit Me by Maybelline. And I use Matte and Poreless in color 128, Warm Nude. So let's see if these Hank and Henry sponges are any good. ¿Dónde lo pongo? So do you apply foundation with this one like that? Or like that? I'm gonna try right here. A ver. What I don't like about sponges is that it soaks up all the freaking foundation. But I can't complain because I'm always using it anyway. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put on a bandana because the hair was just getting in my way. And excuse it if it's crooked, pero it is what it is. The sponge is pretty good. It's not bad. I like it. And guys, my face is looking really flawless. I'm pretty sure it's the primer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little small one to go ahead and put some more foundation under my eye. Más poquitito. So having a small beauty blender or beauty sponge comes in handy because you can use it under your eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my contouring. And I'm gonna use a flat edge, obviously. Oh my god, this is what gets me scared every time I contour is that it's so dark and then you have to blend it out so good so you won't see it. So I'm going to use another edge to blend out the highlight. So back to the flat. Okay guys, final thoughts on these little sponges. Honestly, they're good quality and they're not too soft. What I mean by not too soft is that they won't rip easily. They're more sturdy. I like how they're edgy and you're able to get in between your under your eye or like just right here in between your freaking nostril and your, you know, whatever, your lip, whatever. I like it. I really like it. I think they're pretty good quality. Why didn't I use these? I didn't use them. Well, I'll use them for under my eye. Since I need to finish this bottom portion, I'm gonna go ahead and use them. I can't believe I didn't use it. Oh, what an idiot, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some setting powder, guys. And I'll be back. Ya me puse. So if you see a little dusty, you know why. I have some setting powder on. Can't believe I didn't use these. Pende. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the eye shading by Lavish. This little brush right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use Cup of Joe and apply it all under my lid. And I like this brush. It's pretty soft. Definitely needed some good brushes, guys. I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the blender, which is a pink brush. Este tapered blending. And I'm just gonna blend. These are so cute. And guys, if people say brushes don't matter, yes, brushes matter. It does make a difference because like some brushes will grab more product than others and it will blend better than others. So I like this one. It's like pretty skinny and very lightweight. I like this brush. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this pencil, the orange one, and apply some Charmer, which is the blue one, right under, and then I'll try to blend it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go back and use this pencil brush. It's called a pencil, and I'm gonna use Pop Up. I'm gonna lick it.
Coronavirus!
Pop Up and apply it on the inner corner of my eye. And if you're wondering Why are you licking your brush? That's so unsanitary. It's my brush. So, que te valga. It makes a difference when you wet your brush because it'll stand out so much more. Y me voy a poner un poquito más of pop-up right here. I really like this palette, guys. I think BoxyCharm did a great job, for real. So I'm going to blend it now in between Cup of Joe and Pop-Up. I went ahead and bronzed and put on my lipstick, obviously, and did deepen up like the color of my eyeshadow. So I just darkened it a little bit more. Now for the last thing that I'm going to try is this fine liner by Lavish. So you're supposed to use it for eyeliner, I guess, because it's really skinny. So I do have this pomade by Anastasia, which is eyeliner pomade, and I'm gonna see if it works or not. Me lo voy a poner aquí, obviously. I like it. So it works with the Anastasia eyeliner. No lie, I thought it was gonna be a little tricky, but I did really like this fine liner by Lavish. Sí sirvió, guys. Even though I did my eyeliner pretty quick, it came out good. Okay, guys, last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, and I'll be back. So this is a final look, guys, using BoxyCharm's palette and all the products I received with BoxyCharm. And I must say, my ultimate favorite, like I had said at the beginning, the Poreless Primer. And then second of all, I freaking love this ELEMIS Superfood Hydrating Gel, guys. This one is freaking bomb. Honestly, my least favorite, I must say, is probably this Erase All Makeup thing right here. Because I don't see myself cleaning my makeup with one of these because they must get really dirty and hard to wash. For $25, I got a retail value of $151.99. $151.99. For those of you that are going to judge me on the way I say my prices. So you're only paying $25 to get all of this. So I definitely do recommend it for those of you that have not tried it and you're trying to get out of your comfort zone and try new stuff. That's a perfect way to try new stuff. So that is all today, guys. Let me know if you guys have any video requests. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video if you guys thought it was helpful. And that is all, guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.